don't want to get up. If I get up, I have to do things. See people. No. Just no.
Tori, get up now.
It's a beautiful day, I'm running away. Don't bother to Facebook message or call me, 'cause I'm living life in airplane mode and everything is okay. I just wanna play, unplug for the day.